More news coming in from the state of Andhra Pradesh. The Andhra Pradesh government has now ordered that the TTD should now submit a comprehensive report on the ghee controversy. Andhra Pradesh government has directed the trust, the executive officer of the trust, to submit a detailed report on the ghee controversy surrounding the Laddu Prasadam. Chandrababu Naidu all set to meet the executive officer of the trust, and they have asked him to submit a detailed report. The executive officer will meet Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu today and submit a report. My colleague Apurva is now joining me on the story. Apurva, we did see how the central government, in fact, JP Nadda had also said that they now want the state government to take action, and Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu all set to meet with the executive officer of the trust. A detailed report is sought now.
Well, that's right, Aishwarya. In fact, these kind of Tirumala Prasadam, it's quite a sentiment for the public. In fact, I just have, two of the prasadams that had been made completely using pure ghee. One is the Ven Pongal and one is the Sweet Pongal. There, both of them that have been used completely made using pure ghee. This apart from the iconic Tirumala Laddu and whatnot, we also have, several other prasadam there that is being given for the public. This is one of the vada that is being used apart from the Tirumala Laddu there. All of these are iconic Tirumala Prasadam that is being given for the public there, and given that this kind of sanctity there that has been broken, wherein there was one supplier there that used highly adulterated ghee. I must add, it's not. It's supposed to be somewhere between the value of 94 and 104, but it was somewhere did not even make the half mark point. So that's what we're also seeing. This is the kind of standard that they had procured from these suppliers there. AR Dairy Foods, which was a supplier from Dindigul. AR Dairy Foods has also been blacklisted. Now the Andhra Pradesh government has sought for a detailed report from the executive officer there, and is also likely to meet with Mr. Naidu in Amaravati today, where a detailed report has been sought, not only from Andhra Pradesh. In fact, the centre has also demanded that a detailed report be taken in the cognizance that this report that showed that there was adulterated fat used has just come out.
Thank you, Apurva, for giving us all those details. My colleague there showing the fresh prasad which has been made using pure ghee, which is now being distributed to all the devotees.